Managing documents in Dynamics 365 CRM can quickly get messy if everything is stored in a single SharePoint folder. With SharePoint Security Sync's custom folder structure, you can automate organization by period, starting character, or even custom fields. Let's see how it works. We'll start by configuring the contact entity. Inside Entity Configuration, we define how folders should be created in SharePoint. First, let's select by period. We'll organize contact records by month. For this demo, we're choosing the format month-year, which creates folders like 08-2025. Now let's create a new contact, Stephen Smith. Based on his creation date, SharePoint Security Sync automatically generates a folder under the correct monthly category, which you can see through the attached to Dynamics UI. Next, let's look at the starting character option. We'll name this document library format, first name. Now let's create a new contact, Patrick Cummins. Once saved, SharePoint Security Sync creates a folder under the first character of the name in the document library. Now let's try the custom option. You can define the document library as required. Here, defining it by the full name of the contact. Creating a record in this library structure automatically creates a corresponding file in SharePoint under the full record name. We can also create folder structures using field values. For example, let's configure the format to use last name in curly brackets. Now, when we create a contact, James Nolan, a folder is automatically created under his last name in SharePoint. With custom folder structure in SharePoint Security Sync, your Dynamics 365 CRM documents stay neatly organized, whether by period, starting character, or custom rules. This improves efficiency, avoids clutter, and helps you overcome SharePoint's document library unique scope. Install SharePoint Security Sync now from our website or Microsoft AppSource and get a 15-day free trial.